Hi, I'm Dr. Sam. One of the most recommended digestive support products among natural healthcare professionals is Zypan. Since 1958, Zypan has been the #1 supplement choice in improving digestive health. Poor digestion is a common problem among most people in the United States. Digestive issues are probably second only to fatigue that causes patients to seek out healthcare. Zypan has a two-pronged approach. In addition to supplying digestive enzymes for macronutrient digestion, Zypan also includes hydrochloric acid to help with gastric pH, which is critical and oftentimes way out of balance in most of the population suffering from digestive issues. One caution is certain people with ulcers might not be able to use Zypan initially, and that's okay. These patients would benefit from a product such as Standard Process Multizyme, which contains digestive enzymes without the hydrochloric acid. I recommend taking 2 to 3 tablets of Zypan at least 15 minutes before each meal for best results.